In this tutorial, we will introduce setup. This step is important to get correct result. Please don't forget to note each information. If you made a mistake at this step, you cannot obtain correct result. Let's get started. I open a T connector and I update mesh, then double click on setup. If you want to obtain high precision, switch on double precision. But don't forget that double precision takes a time. Navigation elements are here and here. I want to close this. Each item in navigation pane brings up a new text page, like that. I open material and close this. I go on general. Console window is here and graphic video in window is here. Firstly, when you start to set up, press check button. The mesh check ensures that each cell is in a correct format and connected to each other cells as expected. Failure of any check indicates a badly format or corrupted mesh which will need repairs prior to simulation. Then press repeat quality. Quality of mesh is important. Minimum orthogonal quality should be more than 0.2. If it is not, repair meshing. The maximum expect ratio is 24, which is high but acceptable in inclination layer. If the mesh quality is unacceptable, it is best to remesh before producing. If you don't press check and report quality, calculation will not start. So you have to control this. Then there is scale. Scale shows us where geometry is in space. You can change unit of this. Maybe millimeter. Okay. And close this and press display. This is not so important thing, but I want to show you. For example, you can change picture of geometry, close face, switch on edge and select failure display, and as you can see, geometry will change. Select all and faces, display and close. As I said, it is not so important thing. And you can adjust units at here. For example, you can change area, meter square or meter per square second square for acceleration. I want to go on temperature. Now select temperature. It is Kelvin. Select Celsius. Sorry, centigrade. And close this. When I open again, as you can see, it is centigrade. Close this. And there is gravity. Gravity is at y direction, actually -9 point. This is not comma. This should be 0.81. Okay. And you can take a photograph at here, save picture. You can change format or coloring. I will not use